Welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica, and today we have another collaboration with my girl Lauren, and we are playing with Hank and Henry. Yes, this is officially my first trial of Hank and Henry products. And I don't get to play with just one palette. I am sitting down playing with two. Can you tell which eye is from which palette? Now mind y'all, whenever I do step in, after we hit this up and all that, I have one eye already done, just to save some time for y'all and some time for me. But yeah, I'm excited to show y'all what are my final thoughts about these palettes. And my main goal for this video is to see if they have improved as a company, because this is an older palette, this is a newer palette, and that's all you want to see for a brand, is to see if they've grown. How many times have I said see already? And this is an amazing collaboration with my girl Lauren. Like I said before, she just received her mystery box. I received my mystery box. She has tried Hank&henry, but only like one palette prior to this. And this was my first try on, so we bought it together. And so if you do not have Lauren, make sure you drop down below in my comments, my description box, and grab her up. Show her some love. She would greatly appreciate it, I promise you. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right here. Turn this bell right here on, all the way up. That way you get notified for every video upload, because I upload often. And yeah, let's jump into the video. Ready? Are you honestly ready? Hey, my beauty squad. So like I said in the beginning of this video, this is a collaboration with one of my beautiful friends, Lauren. She is a little newer to YouTube, so I would truly, honestly appreciate it if you will go over and show her some love. Let her know what the beauty squad is all about. And if you are coming from her channel, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate all the support. Promise. So, like I said in the beginning of this video, this is a first honest opinion review over Hank&henry eyeshadow products. I went in with this eye using the Hank&henry Spring Filling Palette. Gorgeous. I received this in my Hank&henry mystery box. I'm so happy I did. Like, if you know me, you know I'm a colorful biatch. I love my colors, and this is like right up my alley. Like, gorgeous. Like, mind you, this right here I applied with a dry brush, and I was just like, it was there. And Hank&henry, I consider to be one of, it's more of an affordable brand. Like, it's not like Elf affordable, but it's not Hourglass or Charlotte Tilbury price either. You know what I mean? So that, well worth it. Well worth it. Now, this is one of his first palettes he did. And I'm very curious, because I know a lot of people have this palette. This was another palette that I received in my mystery box. I've never tried anything from Hank&henry other than his brushes prior to the eyeshadow palette. This was one of his first palettes. That's one of his newer palettes. Not his newest, but newer. So I'm curious to see how they compare. Now, when I did this look already on my live from last night. So if you would like to see how I recreated this look and what I used and like what were my first impressions of that palette, go check out my live from last night. Yes, I know it's like 2 hours long, but you can fast forward through it, and it's towards the end of it. So, let's see. Before I do this, let's do some swatch comparisons. Alright, so the mattes. They seem nice. Okay. The shimmers are pretty light, but I'm not the best at swatching. The mattes look pretty decent. Don't mind these up here. This was from prior. Because I am filming this actually right after my live. So this was from my live. If you're wondering what's going on with that. Let me show you these swatches. Just so you ain't got to run all the way back in my live because you missed it. Oh yeah, these shimmers are a lot more creamier and a lot more boom already off the bat. And I like these because you have the little owl print. Mine are fading because I didn't use it, but as you can tell, I love owls. Yeah, see, like those shimmers are a lot more in your face. That I can already tell. Yeah. And there's those. Oh yeah, like those compared to those. We might have a big traumatic difference right here, guys. Like, okay. Which, that's all that matters, is that the brand is improving. That's all you can do when you're a first brand. You know, you're going to have try and errors. I'm using that first shade right there. I don't really care too much for this color story, but I want to do with what I have. And I'm using a Morphe brush. Like, you know, you got to start somewhere, just as I am a creator. You know, we all start from zero. Same conception with a brand. Whenever it's newer, it's got to start from somewhere. So, of course, they're going to, you know, be new at it. Hand that here. I don't need that. Bring me that. Give me the wipies. So, you're going to have, you know, a brand improving. Thank you. And that's what I want to see here. That's what I want. I want to see this brand improving. I want to be able to tell a difference in the first palette to the last palette. Because then that shows improvement of the company. And improvement is always good. Always good. Because you can always redeem yourself. Luna, hush. Nobody wants to hear that mess. I have been looking for these. No ma'am. Sorry guys. Like, I'm trying to get all this mess off. I've been driving myself crazy with all this. Don't mind a little bit behind me. What? No. She want my daggone lip gloss. I'm going to have to get her some more chapsticks. Alright, so I want to go in with that darker brown. Just to kind of see what we can do here. You know, you ain't got too many choices whenever 3 of the shades are browns. And then the only other matte shade is the blue. So like I said, I don't really care for the color story of the Living in Color palette. Am I glad I got it? Yes, because I get to see where this brand has been and where it is now. And that's all that really matters, is the improvement. And I'm hoping that's kind of like what he was trying to do with his mystery boxes. Because most of the time, if you get a mystery box, it's because you haven't tried the brand. Let's go in with this blue so we can compare it to this blue over here. I'm going to use the brush just like I did with the other one. I'm going to rub it around just a little bit. Now, mind you, I did cut the crease in the other one. When you cut a crease, you do give it a little bit more base to stick to. So it has a little bit more power room. I don't want to do all that here. Okay, she pretty. She's not as powering as the other one. That's okay. She is buildable. So that's good. That's a good sign. I don't like it either. You don't have a light shade to put in your brow bone. I love it when my palettes have at least one light shade. It could be a matte. I don't care. As long as it's one light shade. So I could put in my inner corner and my brow bone. So I'm just going to apply this one there. And I'm going to lightly. But, you know, I mean, it's not a game changer. It is convenient to have one that has that for your brow bone, but you can use a highlighter if you have it, what have you. But all in all, of course, I love this eye a little bit more than this one. And that's just because I don't care too much for browns. I like them. I'm glad they're around. Brown is very basic. I'm far from a basic chick when it comes to my eyeshadows. I like color. I like pop. I have been leaning more towards nude looks. So, I mean, I'm glad I have it. I'm not mad at it. I was glad I was able to do this little review with it. I do have a Hank&henry lippy on right now as well. If I can find out what I did with it. Oh, it's right here. This is actually a really pretty shade. These lips are very drying when you put it on, but it's very weightless. It feels good on the lips. Not gonna lie, it does feel good on the lips. It looks nice. I really do like this shade. Because I received Candy Apple Red in my mystery box, and I ordered this on his 65% off sale. Because I couldn't deal. I'm not a red lip type person. Never have been, never probably will be. I like the eye. The eye is very pretty. It did its justice, but like that shimmer stole the show. Like, period. Now, if you did miss my live last night, then you missed me poking myself in the eyeball. And when I did this. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm not dead. I didn't cry on camera, so that's a good thing. But yeah. But my opinion, this is the Fenty Beauty mascara, which I'm obsessed with. This is the baby one. I'm hoping and praying I get the big one in my premium box. Fingers crossed. Most time they give me the mascaras, but watch, the one time I actually want the mascara, I won't get it. And I didn't grab it on add-ons because I don't think. Y'all let me know down below in the comments which eye do you like better. Do you like the old school eye or the spring filling? Now the spring filling does remind me more of spring, and this one is more fallish, winter. So, you know, the themes of it is different, of course, but I won't go on. I wasn't basing it off the color schemes. I was just basing it off the formula. I'm really excited to see what Lauren has to say about this. My girl, like, let's see. She's tried out a few more Hank&henry products than I have. So, yeah. She already knew how amazing they were. Sorry. But, like, yeah. Now, mind you, those mattes, beautiful. Both mattes are beautiful, but them shimmers, you can really tell the difference in the formula. Like, this one looks almost wet. And this is just like a glitter story. Like I said, both beautiful eyes. I really love. I'm so grateful that they are different consistencies, because this shows how far this brand has came. And I love seeing that. I love seeing that for any brand out there. Like, succeed. Yes, get it. But with that being said, I love y'all, and I will see y'all tomorrow. I have a premiere at 7:30 Eastern time, so make sure y'all are there. It is an awesome series, Try It Tuesday, that I have with a couple of my beautiful friends. Don't want to miss out. So I hope to see y'all all over there Tuesday night in my premiere, so you can review a brand with me. Y'all be excited to see who and what it is, because I am very anxious to get this video done. That's it.